Kia ora and welcome to the TelferYoung Property Market update for February. We'll be exploring the latest trends and developments in the New Zealand property market. Property sales volumes are up 9% as first home buyers and investors have come back to the property market with lower term deposit rates. We're seeing a busier market and sales would be even higher if there were more listings available to meet the increased demand. Higher sales volumes have led to stronger price growth as regional average values increase throughout New Zealand. Auckland in particular has rebounded from its 18-month slide, jumping to an average property value of nearly $1.1 million. In Dunedin, property values have surged 18.3% in the last year. A notable trend in the last 6 months has been the rising proportion of purchases by mortgaged investors, which now hold 25% of the market share. First home buyers still hold an historically high market share of 23%. How's the future looking for the property market? Demand indicators such as a strong labour market look solid for future purchasing activity as the unemployment rate edges down to 4.2%. Net migration is still high and pushing up property demand in New Zealand. Credit supply has risen lately and reduced serviceability tests are now favouring borrowers. Restrictions for loan-to-value ratios remain unchanged for now, but record low mortgage rates stimulating the housing market could cause the Reserve Bank to tighten these restrictions later in the year. The construction industry is experiencing a huge boom in new dwelling consents, especially in Auckland. The surge in construction will eventually dampen current price pressures, but this will take some time. Overall sales are expected to rise further into 2020 as the eased lending conditions allow first home buyers and investors to stretch to meet increasing property values. Stricter bank capital requirements will be a looming restraint come July as tight listings could restrict sales. And finally, the upcoming election creates uncertainty in the property market later in the year and into 2021. If you'd like more information on this property update, head over to telferyoung.com or contact your local office.